Mr. Nilesh, what is the first thing for improving English?
The first tip is read conversation loudly. Read one conversation 5 times loudly every day. Read one or two conversation. It will tune up to your mind to speak fluently.
And what is the second thing?
The second tip is learn learn speaking in a particular situation every day. Makes couples call. Read ads in a newspaper. Call any way to just take information in the beginning of you write your sentences on a paper and memorize them. It will help to remove your hesitation.
Very nice. And the third one?
The third one is get a habit of speaking in English with your friends and family members. You can if you can't have a whole conversation in English, you speak a few sentences in English. It will build your confidence further. The fourth tip is write 50 words paragraph in any conversation. Practice the same paragraph at least 10 times. It will tune up to your tone. The last and fifth tip is write 10 question every day relating to the any conversation. Read loudly before standing a mirror. If you can make a question easily, you have discuss with other confidently.
Very nice.